In the heart of the earth lie treasures that captivate the human spirit, gold and diamonds. Their allure dates back centuries, sparking dreams of wealth, beauty, and mystery. The pursuit of these precious resources is an age-old endeavor that blends science, art, and exploration. The quest begins, searching for gold. Gold, the eternal symbol of opulence, has bewitched civilizations for millennia. The quest for gold involves a blend of geological understanding, technological prowess, and a keen eye for detail. Geologists study the Earth's crust, seeking clues in formations and mineral deposits that might hide this elusive metal. The methods of finding gold vary. Traditional prospectors employ techniques passed down through generations, panning in rivers, sifting through sediments, and scouring terrain for telltale signs. Modern mining utilizes sophisticated machinery, employing seismic surveys, satellite imagery, and chemical analyses to pinpoint gold-rich areas deep within the earth. The sparkle of discovery, unearthing diamonds. Diamonds, nature's masterpiece, possess an unmatched brilliance and allure. Unlike gold, diamonds are formed under intense pressure and heat deep within the Earth's mantle. The search for these exquisite gems requires a nuanced understanding of geological processes. Prospecting for diamonds involves exploration in regions where specific geological conditions foster their creation. Volcanic pipes, known as kimberlite, often serve as conduits for diamonds to reach the surface. This discovery necessitates meticulous study and analysis to locate viable diamond deposits. The challenges and joys of discovery. Yet the pursuit of these treasures is not without challenges. Environmental concerns, ethical sourcing, and sustainable mining practices are pivotal considerations in the quest for gold and diamonds. Balancing the desire for wealth with responsible stewardship of the planet remains a crucial facet of these endeavors. Moreover, the thrill of discovery, the joy of uncovering a hidden seam of gold or a cache of diamonds fuels the passion of prospectors and miners alike. The satisfaction derived from unraveling the Earth's mysteries and unearthing its hidden treasures is a reward unto itself, a reverence for nature's bounty. Finding gold and diamonds is not merely about extracting riches from the ground. It's a harmonious dance between human ambition and nature's bounty. The pursuit embodies a delicate balance between technological advancement and environmental stewardship, emphasizing the need to respect and preserve the planet's natural resources. In the end, the search for these coveted treasures is a testament to human ingenuity and the unending fascination with Earth's wonders. Whether it's the glimmer of gold or the sparkle of diamonds, their allure continues to captivate and inspire generations, echoing the eternal dance between mankind and the natural world.